First fish of the day, guys. Look at that crappie. Oh my god. Just got out here. Welcome back to another episode of Brens Fishing Life. If you can't tell, we're back I'm doing a little bit of crappie fishing. Man, I came out here a couple days ago for my first time to do some crappie fishing and got on them. And it was so good, I had to come back. So I'm out here with Earl and my buddy Shane again, and we're out here trying to get on some crappie. Been out here just a little bit, and it's already going down. So I'm stoked. Can't complain. I bought a big fat crappie like that. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, so you've seen that the head cam turned off. Just to give you guys a little context, it was about 28 degrees when we launched, and apparently it's a little bit too cold for the head cam to be working right. So you'll notice that the beginning part of this video is going to be just the front cam footage and no mic. Oh, he's barely hooked, dude. Oh. Woo. Got another one. Man, these are some beast crappie, man. Look at that thing. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Unfortunately, I can't get the head cam going. It's too cold. My line is freezing on the guides. That's how cold it is. Lake Mead. There you go. Oh, Braddah Shayne on one. Getting on crappie early in the morning. Get that net ready. First one? Right on. Just got one. Shane just got on his first crappie ever. 2 for 2 for me. Gotta have the net ready for these guys. What was that? A little bass? Yeah, it's a little largy. Thought it was a crappie. Alright. First bass of 2022. Look at that. You'll find something. I don't know what it is just yet. Another bass. That second large of the day. He swallowed that thing.
I didn't even know this dude was there.
What is he? Crappie?
Yeah.
Yeah. Earl on with his second crappie.
That's kind of like right on the line. I don't think I'm going to keep that one either.
Hey man, your fish, your choice, buddy. Hey, at least that's a good sign. The crappie are biting again.
Yeah.
That's how I feel.
I thought you were on.
Huh?
That's what I thought you were on.
That's what I thought I was on too, but second small bass in a row.
Wow.
See if the camera's working now. It's not as cold. Alright, back on. I can't see because I didn't bring my glasses and I'm blinded. Yeah, 2 crappies, 2 largies, and whatever this is. Nice. Crappie, baby. Woo! Another fatty. Man, I'm getting some meaty ones. It's another slab. Look at that guy. Holy moly. That's a slab crappie right there. Man, I'm catching some slabbers. That's nuts. Got him on the Oziri rattle and vibe, I think this one's called. A little shad bait, a little shad lipless crankbait. If you've seen my past videos, you've probably seen me use that bait before. I've caught a lot of fish with that bait. I was missing hooks for a while. I just finally put some new hooks on there. There it is. Sir, it's a bass. Another bass. Little baby bass. Third one already. Alright, so the crappie bite definitely slowed down. And before we headed out, I decided to head for deeper waters and see if I could jig up a couple striper. I managed to find a nice little school and a nice little striper out of there. Yeah, on the jig, baby. Oh, baby on the jig. Found some deep on the jig. Ended up being a pack of little rats. Little baby striper. Down up to 3 species today. Crappie, largemouth, and striper. Stoked. What is up, guys? It is now about 10:30 in the morning. Got out about maybe 6, so about 4 hours or so. And a nice little crappie hunting session. I got on 3 nice ones. But I got on 3 crappie. I caught 3 largies, trying to catch crappie. And then I caught 1 little striper. I ended up getting out a little bit in deep, finding some spot I can jig. and finding a little baby striper on the jig, unfortunately. But man, what a nice chill session. Met up with my buddy Shane, Braddah Shayne, and also Earl from Henderson Hookin, who I came out with here last time, a couple days ago, hunting from crappie. So that's gonna be it for this trip, guys. Thank you for joining. Stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and include the last trip out here doing some crappie hunting, my first time coming out, and also my first time catching my first Lake Mead crappie. So stay tuned for that bonus footage. It's gonna wrap it up for this trip. Thanks so much for tuning in. I can barely see. I got the sun in my eyes because I was a bonehead and forgot my glasses in the truck. But man, if you guys like this video, don't forget to support the channel. Just hitting the thumbs up and leaving a comment just helps so much. So thanks guys for watching. See you next time. Stay tuned for bonus footage. What is up, guys? A little bit of bonus footage. I got no head cam today, just the front cam. Joining Earl from Henderson Hookin. And we're out here bright and early. Obviously it's dark. It's about 6 a.m. The sun should be up in about an hour. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I don't have my microphone, but we're gonna do some exploring today. Hopefully get out my first Lake Mead crappie. Hopefully just get onto the fish in general. It's a little bit of rain, a little bit of wind today, but we're gonna try to grind it out. Hopefully we can find it. See how it goes. So stay tuned for some bonus footage. Hopefully we'll see some fish coming up here today. First fish of the day, little baby. Whew. 7:30 now. Got a couple more little baby stripers, and I'm still on the crappie hunt. Looks like Earl over there, he said he caught a couple striper. He's looking for some crappie as well, and it is kind of raining here and there, which is why I got the hood up. And that's it, guys. Just give me a little update. What's going on? I think that's a striper. Not the fish I was looking for, guy. This is about all I'm catching out here, guys. Little baby stripers. Yeah. I was reeling this in, guys. Let's get this guy in there. Got another one. It feels small, but I'm not reeling too hard, just in case it is a crappie. What is a crappie, guys? Got one! Woo! First crappie ever, baby! Yes! Yes! Yeah! Gee! Oh, snap, guys. Yes! Boom! Stoked. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Oh. Stoked. Well, looks like I know where they're at. Now I gotta try and do that over again. I got a fish finder that tells me where I've been. Well, we're gonna keep on them. Hopefully we'll find a couple more. Stay tuned. All right, we got another one. Feels kind of just like the other one just did. Not pulling too hard, so I'm not gonna yank them in either. He's staying on top just like the other one did too. Oh yeah, that's a crappie. He's shaking. Oh, that was a monster crappie, guys. Holy. Oh, damn it. Man, those things come off so easy.
Yes, they do.
Striper. Oh, that's a slab. That. Little slabsaurus right here.
That's nice.
All right, crappie number 3. So stoked. First day, really getting on some crappie. One more. This is for sure crappie. I can feel. I've already caught a couple of them. I know exactly what they feel like. They don't fight like a striper at all. They're very soft. They got a soft tug and they got a very soft lips. So you gotta be very careful when you're reeling them in. You don't wanna just manhandle them in. You're gonna just rip their lips off. Whew. As soon as it came off, I got him. Crappie number 4. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for the crappie hunting mission. Got on some crappie today for the first time at Lake Mead. Got on some striper, fished with my buddy Earl, and that's gonna be it for some bonus footage. So thanks for checking it out, guys. Have a good one.